Oh my god, I did something really stupid. No, it's the first time I did something really stupid.
Too far?
What's wrong?
No, here. In the tree. I didn't do anything that stupid before, but
Do you have a footage or something?
yeah, that's this is. Exact location. Oh, very stupid. It's a pity. He's right at the drone. He's very near.
So listen up. He found the drone, but it's in the branches over there. He can't get to it. So do you want? He needs to shake the tree.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's good. If it drops, it drops. You know, that's the only way. Okay. Press it, Brian. Press it. Shake the tree. Shake it. Shake it. Push it, Brian. Push it. All right, go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. Go.
The old state. Oh, it's fantastic, man.
Couple bruises.
Oh, there's no problem. Completely undamaged. Wow, thank you very much.
I don't know.
Oh, but I've got it here. It's fantastic, man. It's really awesome.
It was really high up there.
Oh yeah, how high? It was in the top.
Yeah, and like on a small branch.
See.
Yeah, I couldn't even shake it off.
Oh,
So I went down there and picked up some like really long branch. Tried to shake it a little bit.
I can't believe it. It's
So
really.
I think everything is like you can open, you can close.
Oh yeah, it's awesome,
But
man.
they said after crash maybe it's better to change propellers or something.
Yeah,
like that.
propellers. Yeah, absolutely.
But you never know.
But it fell on the ground, I think, on the grass or something.
Yeah, but
Yeah, of
near
course.
some rocks, so you never know.
Oh, okay.
So down there, everything is like really rocky.
Yeah.
From some tree, from tree to tree, and then on the
Oh,
side.
okay.
So it was like next to the rocks. I think maybe even hit the rock probably.
Okay,
So
yeah.
this was
Oh
open.
yeah, I see it in the nose. Yeah.
Yeah, it was open here. Batteries in.
Oh
it's
yeah.
Still in.
But it looks really.
Still look okay, but
Yeah.
you never know. I hope
should-
it will work
I
okay.
shouldn't be shocked if it's still flying, you know, but
Yeah.
because it's really rugged
Yeah.
stuff.
Glad I find it for you.
Oh man, you're really a hero.
Like really.
my god.
Oh my god.